Hi, this is Gary Kayye. We're here at CEDIA 2023, and we're here obviously in the nice booth where nice people build nice things, make nice things. There you go, make nice things. I'm here with Paul Williams. Paul's the Chief Product Officer for NICE.
That's correct, Chief Product Officer at NICE.
And tell me exactly, for those people that may not know who NICE is, obviously you've gone through a rebrand, and so it's probably good to catch people up that may not have been noticed.
Yeah, you bet. So a great time for us to get people caught up. So NICE has been a company since 2003, or sorry, 1993. We just got to our 30-year anniversary here, so 1993. A very widely known brand in Europe. So very, very instrumental in blinds and shade motors, in garage door operators, and gate operators in Europe. And then recently into the smart home as well, and into connected home. So in October of 2021, they purchased Nortec. So Nortec was a family of products and solutions, Elan, Speakercraft, Panamax in particular, we'll talk about here. And so as part of that acquisition, what we did is we took a look at, and I came in just after that acquisition, we took a look at what can we do to be able to make sure that we've got something that resonates with consumers and with integrators. And so we went through a rebranding exercise. We made a lot of interesting dynamic changes within the organization, and one of the big things we announced here last year, but now is official this year, is the rebranding of Elan, Speakercraft, and Panamax. So formerly known as those brands are now folded into the NICE brand. Yep, so all of our products, all of our software are now branded NICE. And what that gives us is an ability to do a couple of different things. One, we can come out with really good messaging about who we are, what our mission is, what we're trying to drive, but also allows us to be able to reach out to consumers. So that's going to help our integrators. With many, many brands, it's really hard to get to a consumer. You can't put enough investment in to be able to communicate to them. But with this rebrand, we feel confident we can now start reaching out to those consumers so that our integrators are getting the pool for people asking for us.
And the advantage of, well, first off, the branding is really nice and clean. I like it. It's very simple, recognizable. But the advantage from an integrator standpoint is when they start a relationship with you, they're getting access to a suite of products that all work well together and is a full whole home solution.
That is absolutely correct, and that's part of that rebrand philosophy as well. We want to be able to have people associate that with a full home management solution, and that goes from our gate control, so we do residential gate, we do garage door operators, we do blinds and shades. We also do then all of the classical smart home products you would think about, audio, video, HVAC, lighting.
And control.
And control is all built into that, and it's in this cohesive home management platform that we have. It's really an ecosystem of products and solutions.
And if I'm an integrator and I'm not doing business with you now, how do I go? What's the process to go? I mean, if you're not here at CEDIA, what's the process to go through? And do you have education and certification? I mean, because audio, you have a wide range of products. Maybe I'm from the audio side and I don't know the home control side as well. Do you have that ability to sort of educate me and certify me at a certain level?
Absolutely. So we have, if people want to find out, if you're not here at the show and you want to be an integrator for us, just come see us at niceforyou.com. We'll get you in there, we'll contact you, we'll get with you. We have an on-site training, it's a 3-day training. Right now it's Carlsbad, but we also have Peabody, Massachusetts, one opening up this next month in Peabody, Massachusetts, so we're training on both coasts.
It's a 3-day.
3-day class, but then we have a bunch of online training as well. In our NICE University that we launched about a month ago, it's a new platform. It allows for our dealers to get quick access to things. In fact, shading's a great one. We announced our new shading, Sunshades by NICE, here at the show. So if you know nothing about shading, we can take you from knowing nothing to getting comfortable around the fact that you could go quote out and install an automated shade solution. We have an excellent online training that takes you through that. And we've got those packets all the way through the whole process of understanding how to get through different parts of that. So a lot of online training, a lot of live training that gets you proficient in what we're doing.
It's interesting because my first whole house audio system had Speakercraft throughout the entire home, but it was controlled by, Speakercraft didn't make a controller, so it was controlled by a different brand. But you brought it all together in one. I'm curious if we've gone around and actually shot individual videos at every product station so you can see the full suite of products they have just by typing NICE in the video search window of either of the microsites. So if you go to ravepubs.com, click on the CEDIA microsite and type in NICE. I'm curious if there's a few products that you're highlighting here. You already mentioned the shade product.
We are. So there's really three big things that we announced here at the show or that we're showing. First one is our new HR40 remote control. Honestly, and I'm a little
It's beautiful, by the way.
we spent a lot of time on the design beauty of that product, a lot of industrial design, and that's one of the other things that's fundamental to this whole nice company, our nice company. We're foundationally building beautiful products. So our owner, our founder, Laura Barrow, very passionate about design, and so we spent a lot of time on the design of the remote control. It is, I believe, the industry's most beautiful remote control, but also has, honestly, some really cool features. We have the ability to answer a front door or your doorbell with full motion video. Do you get it on the...
It's in a small remote. I'm going to go over there and grab it. Can I run over there and grab it? I'm run over here and grab it. The form factor, and by the way, this is heavy duty. I mean, in other words, it's not just a piece of plastic. This is
this is what we did with this thing too. It's extruded aluminum bottom here. So we spent a lot of time on the materials. They feel really good in your hand. And we spent a lot of time on ergonomics and human form factors to make sure the buttons are in the right place and that they're the right buttons to make sure that this remote is full function. It has voice capability on it. Press that, day one, Amazon Alexa. We're actually showing Xfinity here in the booth, Xfinity voice. And then we got some future things we're working on in the voice category. It has an IR blaster on it. So for the people that are still using IR and you don't want to put IR buds on everything, we can IR blast. It has the ability to look at full motion video from cameras on here at the same time too. I switch it in side mode, I move to landscape. So it's really got a lot of features that a lot of the other remotes don't have today. So we took the idea of remote control and the ability to control your entire experience with this remote control to the next level.
Yeah, it is. It's really nice. I mean, it's not like the remote controls that come in the box with the TVs that people try to use to control their home.
It's a premium remote control experience.
So the shades, the shading system, the remote control. What else? We got this.
Then we also have our small aperture speakers. So we're taking the heritage that we have from Speakercraft. So Speakercraft, fundamental in building the architectural speaker product lines, right? So we're taking that same heritage and we built it into this new line of our speakers, and they are fantastic. And so these small aperture speakers, 4-inch rounds, 4-inch squares, you can flush mount them, and they are voiced perfectly. They sound so good. We have matching amplification with them, also in-ceiling sub to match with that in a small aperture format. So fantastic solution.
Well, again, we've gone around and shot individual product videos at each one of these product stations. So all you got to do is go to ravepubs.com, click on the CEDIA link, and then type in NICE in the video search window. And don't forget, you can always go to niceforyou.com. That's spelled out FORU.com. You can get educated. You can find out about the certification program, the 3-day class, and learn all about all the different products that NICE has here at CEDIA 2023. Congratulations on this and that, and the success and the rebrand. Like I said, it's really clean. I like it. It's simpler, and I think you've done a really good job holistically looking at the market rather than just from separate product lines. So congratulations. Thank you very much for joining me.
Appreciate it. Thanks so very much.
Thanks for watching. All of our coverage from CEDIA 2023 is at ravepubs.com.